We're very concerned that this sets an undue precedent that would potentially apply to other vaccines and or other processes, medications, or things even beyond a vaccine. By individuals circumventing the well-established and evidence-based processes that generate the quality information to help us make decisions, we assure that we're not putting something bad through the system or something that could have been good isn't getting through. Doing this in a piecemeal, individual, single-handed approach is dangerous and doesn't allow us to put those checks and balances into place that we need to make sure that the safe and efficacious medications and vaccines are getting out to our patients.
So you use the word dangerous, which that sounds like a very big red flag from somebody like you who comes from the knowledge source that you do. So can you kind of walk us through some of these dangers like that this precedent could pose for pharmacists and patients? I mean, it's going to affect both, right? I mean, if these are getting out without the actual processes needed to ensure their safety.
Sure. What we see potentially coming down the pipeline, especially if this applies to other vaccines or even with the current situation that we're talking about, there's a lack of insurance coverage because if a product or a vaccine isn't on a recommended list, many of our insurances won't cover it. Then it's a high cost, and for a patient that is either low income or doesn't have access based on their own insurance, they might not have the ability to pay for that out of pocket. No one knows what they should be getting or what they shouldn't be getting, and no one knows where the source of truth is. The confusion and the distrust that we are creating by doing this piecemeal approach is not helping us to protect anyone.